My name is Shay Mula. I'm here representing Year Youth. We are here at Access Creative College running our open day. We've got a mixture of production, DJing, rap and lyric writing workshops, and then we're going to have a cypher at the end of the day. Today is more for young people to come connect with each other, develop some skills that they already have. A lot of the people today, they're beginners. So they might have thought about rapping, but they're a bit nervous. They don't know where to start. Some people might want to DJ, but they don't have the equipment at home. It's quite hard to get into DJing without equipment and facilities. And also for production, we're focusing on how to record yourself. So if you're a rapper and you go into a studio, or you've got a room booked with your friends, but you don't actually know how to set up or how to record yourself or what presets to use. So it's giving everyone the basic tasks they need to actually move forward in their art form.
Yeah, what's happening? I'm DJ Shorty. As the name suggests, I'm a DJ. Have been for many years. Whether it's clubs or radio. I've been, and honestly, I'm just a big fan of music, and I'm here today with Year Youth, just delivering some, impromptu DJ workshops, giving people a little taste of how the decks works, give them a little idea how to get started in the industry, tips for how to be a better DJ. DJing, like any creative endeavor, there's a huge set of skills that you need, but the main thing for me is to just maybe spark a little fire to intrigue them enough to demystify it so that they're not daunted by all the buttons and the lights, and just to give them a basic understanding of the kit, but also understanding of the theory that goes behind DJing.
Yo my people, I'm Sir Spyro. I'm from BBC Radio 1 Extra. I'm a producer, I'm a radio host. I'm at Access Creative College. I'm with Year Youth, just teaching the youth how to record themselves on the recording studio. Do you know what? The day has been sick because I've literally been learning from the youth. Last time I came here, I learned before as well. And yeah, I've been learning from the youth, little shortcuts and whatnot. Some people are well ahead of their game already, and some people are just getting started. So yeah, I've learned quite a lot today.